Welcome, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of Marival Distinct Residences and Spa, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Nuevo Vallarta, Mexico. This four-diamond property is part of Accor's handwritten collection, offering a unique blend of residential-style accommodations and resort amenities that will make you feel right at home in paradise. Let's start by exploring the accommodations that make Marival Distinct truly stand out. Picture yourself stepping into a spacious luxury residence where contemporary Mexican design meets modern comfort. With 162 units to choose from, you'll find the perfect fit for your vacation needs. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with the whole family in tow, there's a room configuration waiting to embrace you. Imagine waking up to the gentle ocean breeze on your private terrace or balcony, sipping your morning coffee as you gaze out at the lush tropical gardens or the sparkling pool below. The rooms here aren't just a place to rest your head, they're a haven of relaxation and style. Fully equipped kitchens mean you can whip up a quick snack or host an impromptu dinner party with newfound friends. And when it's time to hit the hay, premium bedding and rainfall showers ensure you'll drift off to sleep in ultimate comfort. But wait, there's more. For those seeking the creme de la creme of luxury, the penthouses at Marival Distinct are a dream come true. Imagine having your very own rooftop oasis, complete with a private plunge pool where you can cool off while taking in panoramic ocean views. With up to 4 bedrooms available in some configurations, these penthouses are perfect for large families or groups of friends looking to live it up in style. And let's not forget the outdoor dining areas. Perfect for those balmy Mexican evenings when you want to dine under the stars. Now, let's talk about dining because, let's face it, food is a big part of any great vacation. While the specifics of the culinary offerings at Marival Distinct are a bit of a mystery, they're keeping us on our toes. We can infer that the all-inclusive experience here is nothing short of delightful. Picture yourself indulging in a variety of cuisines, from traditional Mexican flavors to international delights. Whether you're in the mood for a casual beachside bite or a gourmet dinner, there's bound to be something to satisfy every palate. And what's a tropical getaway without some poolside lounging? Marival Distinct boasts multiple semi-private pools, perfect for those who want to take a refreshing dip without the crowds. While we don't have the exact count, maybe they're still building more as we speak. You can bet there's plenty of space to soak up the sun and work on that vacation tan. And for those who prefer the sound of crashing waves, the resort offers direct beach access. Just imagine wiggling your toes in the soft sand as you listen to the gentle rhythm of the nearby ocean. Pure bliss. But let's not forget about pampering, because vacation is all about treating yourself, right? The World Spa at Marival Distinct is ready to transport you to a realm of relaxation. While the specific treatments remain a tantalizing mystery, we can only imagine the array of massages, facials, and body treatments designed to melt away your stress and leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. And for those who like to keep up with their fitness routine even on vacation, there's a fitness center on site. Who knows, maybe you'll be inspired to try a new workout with an ocean view. Now, if you're traveling with little ones, you're in for a treat. Marival Distinct prides itself on being a family heaven, offering immersive fun for all ages. While we don't have the nitty-gritty details, we can picture kids' clubs buzzing with activity, from arts and crafts to treasure hunts on the beach. And for parents looking for a bit of alone time, the resort likely offers supervised activities to keep the kiddos entertained while you enjoy a romantic dinner or a sunset stroll along the shore. Speaking of exploration, the location of Marival Distinct is hard to beat. Just a 25-minute drive from Puerto Vallarta International Airport, you'll be in vacation mode before you know it. And when you're ready to venture beyond the resort, you're in for a treat. Within 35 minutes, you can find yourself strolling along Puerto Vallarta's famous Malecon boardwalk, soaking in the vibrant atmosphere and perhaps picking up a souvenir or two. Or head to the charming Zona Romantica district, where cobblestone streets and colorful buildings transport you to another era. For those who love a good tea time, the nearby golf courses are calling your name. And let's not forget the Nuevo Vallarta Marina, perfect for boat enthusiasts or anyone who wants to admire some sleek yachts while enjoying a waterfront dinner. The best part? You can explore all these attractions and still make it back in time for a sunset cocktail at the resort. Now let's talk about what makes Marival Distinct truly stand out from the crowd. It's not just another all-inclusive resort, it's a home away from home with a luxurious twist. The combination of residential-style living and full resort amenities is a game-changer for those who want the best of both worlds. You get the privacy and space of a vacation rental with the convenience and pampering of a high-end resort. It's like having your cake and eating it too. And who doesn't love cake? The architectural design of Marival Distinct deserves a special mention. The modern Mexican aesthetic seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living spaces, creating an atmosphere that's both sophisticated and relaxed. It's the kind of place where you can dress up for a fancy dinner or lounge in your swimsuit all day. No judgment here. While we don't have specifics on events and conference facilities, it's safe to assume that Marival Distinct has you covered if you're looking to mix a little business with your pleasure. Imagine hosting a meeting with the sound of waves in the background. Now that's what we call a productive work environment. Now, let's dish about some guest experiences, because that's where the magic really happens. While we don't have specific anecdotes, it's easy to imagine the kind of moments that make a stay at Marival Distinct unforgettable. Picture a surprise anniversary dinner set up on your private terrace, complete with candles and a personalized menu. Or how about a staff member going above and beyond to help a family create the perfect sandcastle on the beach? It's these little touches that turn a good vacation into an extraordinary one. Of course, no honest review is complete without mentioning areas for improvement. Recent reviews have noted some inconvenience due to lobby renovations. But hey, that just means they're working hard to make your future stay even better. And while the lack of detailed information on some amenities might leave you wanting more, it also adds an element of surprise to your stay. After all, isn't discovering new delights part of the fun of traveling? In conclusion, Marival Distinct Residences and Spa is a slice of Mexican paradise that combines the comforts of home with the luxury of a high-end resort. From spacious accommodations to a prime location for exploring the Riviera Nayarit, this resort has all the ingredients for an unforgettable vacation. Whether you're lounging by the pool, indulging in spa treatments, or exploring nearby attractions, you're in for a treat. So if you're looking for a vacation spot that offers more than just a place to sleep, Marival Distinct might just be your perfect match. It's a place where luxury meets comfort, where you can be as active or as relaxed as you want, and where every day brings a new adventure. Just remember to pack your sense of wonder along with your sunscreen. You're going to need both. And there you have it, folks. A sneak peek into the world of Marival Distinct Residences and Spa. Whether you're planning your next family vacation, a romantic getaway, or just daydreaming about sandy beaches and swaying palms, this resort is definitely one to keep on your radar. Who knows? Maybe we'll see you there, sipping a margarita by the pool, or watching the sunset from your private terrace. Until next time, happy travels and sweet dreams of Mexican paradise. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.